Come test drive the 2018 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan. This vehicle has less than 800 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.